So this is the latest post I was tagged on and I don't know why. So I'm going to go ahead and click that post. And here, if you just tap on it, you'll see all the different people. People usually spam like this and tag some bigger channels here. So if you click on someone's post, it's going to take you to their profile. That's not what I want to do here. I want to find mine and I want to tap on my name here and you will see this pop up here. So it says show on your profile and then hide from my profile. So I definitely want to hide from my profile. But a better thing to do is click more options here and remove me from the post. This will just remove the tag. This is what I usually do. I remove myself from the post. Now if I go back to my profile, that should be gone. Same thing. Another person tagged me here. I could just click it, find my name here, just click my name, more options, remove me from the post, and it will remove me from the post. So now if I go back to that page, now all these are things that I actually want to be tagged on, things that I've worked on, and it makes more